Lord, it's me again, tired, but still reaching for you. Sometimes the noise around me drowns out your whisper, and I forget that you still call my name. Revive my heart, O God. Breathe life where there's been silence. Stir the ashes that once burned for you, until they glow again with holy fire. I've walked with doubt, I've wrestled with fear, but I've seen too much of your goodness to give up now. Wash away my pride, break the walls I've built in my heart, and draw me closer, closer than before. Teach me to love your presence more than comfort, to choose prayer over distraction, and to trust even when I don't see the way. Lord, remind me that revival doesn't start in crowds. It starts in a single heart that bows again in surrender. So here I am, humbled, hungry, and ready to be changed. Rekindle my faith, renew my strength, and restore my joy in you. Let your Spirit awaken every weary part of me, and let my life echo one truth, that you are still my first love. Amen.